All right, so we're going to start our knot series, and I'm going to do a throw line in this video here. So this is how I tie on a throw ball. I do a slip knot. There's two different ways to tie on a throw ball that are acceptable, really. I'm going to go over the slip knot first. Pass it underneath the ring here, through the ring. And then we're going to come around and we're going to take a bite now. We're going to form a bite. And as you might know, a normal slip knot would go straight to there after making one loop and you pass that bite through. That is not secure enough, because if you pull it, you can see that it just kind of undoes itself. So what we're going to do is called a figure 8 slip knot. It adds an extra twist in and it makes it a lot more secure. Take our bite, we're going to come around here, taking our bite. Instead of passing our bite right here, we first are going to make our figure 8. You can see the figure 8 right there, and now we pull that bite through, and we have what is a figure 8 slip knot. It will not slip, and after you throw and if you have to retie it or pull it off and retie it, you just pull that little tab or that little tail of string, and it pops off easily. So one more time here, I pass it underneath, pull enough slack that you can easily form your bite. Okay, cross, and again, if I was going to do a figure 8, right there, that's the figure 8. Let me without doing the bite. Without doing the bite, you can see that's the figure 8, right? So all this is instead of pulling the tail through a regular figure 8, you're just making a bite and passing that through. And then dressing it, okay? Dressing it like that. Okay, and now that's super secure. I pull, all I do to undo it is pull the tail, and it comes off. Really great knot to do with throw lines, because you have to throw it, and a lot of times you miss the crotch that you're aiming for, and you gotta untie it so that this doesn't get stuck in the tree, and you have to re-toss over and over again. This is a great knot because it's easy to untie and retie, and you can tie it super fast as you get used to it. Okay, you can see how fast that is. I tie it the same way each time. I just grab through, and then right to about here, I hook it with my thumb and pointer finger the other hand. Super fast, you know. But when you're first learning it, just map it out in your head, like so. Make that fish. That's how you make a figure 8. You make a fish. See the fish? Break its tail. Stick it through its eye. And when you stick it through its eye, you gotta come back through, cross right here, right? That's the figure 8. But with the slip knot is, instead of passing the tail through, let me get that out of the way. Instead of passing the tail through, I pass the bite through. Okay? All right. In the next video, we'll show the anchor hitch.